Transform your digital designs into tangible realities with the cutting-edge technology of 3D printing, where innovation meets creation. This is where the importance of choosing the ideal 3D printer cannot be overstated. In our newest video guide, we highlight the top 3 best 3D printers you can find today, from budget-friendly options to professional-grade machines. For detailed information on each model, including the best places to purchase them, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest trends in technology. Now, let's kickstart your journey into the world of 3D printing with confidence and creativity. Coming in at number 3 is the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. Revolutionizing 3D printing, this marvel cuts printing time by over 65%, with a maximum speed of 250 millimeters per second. Its integrated extruder and 7,000 RPM cooling fan blend precision with rapid performance, making even the most intricate designs come to life swiftly and accurately. The Kobra 2 Neo stands out with its ability to produce clearer details through advanced firmware functionalities, ensuring both newbies and veterans can achieve high-quality results on their first try. However, the impressive speed and quality come with a slight learning curve for absolute beginners. Yet, this doesn't overshadow the printer's overall efficiency and the revolutionary impact it has on 3D printing, making it a worthy contender in any tech enthusiast toolkit. Ranked at the number 2 is the Creality Official Ender 3V3KE 3D printer. This powerhouse accelerates the 3D printing process with speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, redefining efficiency without sacrificing detail. Its Sprite direct extruder, coupled with advanced heating and cooling technologies, supports a wide range of materials, ensuring adaptability across projects. Stability is paramount with its robust structural design, virtually eliminating wobble and ensuring precision. Smart algorithms enhance print quality by reducing common flaws, and with features like CR Touch Auto Leveling, it's never been easier to achieve perfect first layers. Despite its many strengths, the wide array of features may initially overwhelm beginners. Nevertheless, the Ender 3V3KE's versatility, from remote monitoring to multiple printing methods, firmly establishes it as a top choice for hobbyists and professionals alike, offering an unmatched blend of speed, quality, and convenience. At the top of the list is the official Creality Ender 3 3D printer. This iconic printer blends reliability with innovation, boasting a resume printing function that ensures your projects are never lost due to power outages. Its assembly is a breeze, requiring minimal time and effort to get up and running. The Ender 3's advanced extruder technology promises a smooth, clog-free printing experience, while its V-shape with PUM wheels guarantees silent operation. The safety-protected power supply heats the bed to 100 degrees in just 5 minutes, exemplifying its efficiency and user safety. Although its straightforward design is highly praised, some enthusiasts might seek more advanced features as they grow. Nonetheless, the Creality Ender 3 remains a steadfast choice for beginners and veterans alike, offering an unparalleled mix of ease, reliability, and support. And that wraps up our journey through the world of 3D printers, where innovation meets creativity, enabling both beginners and professionals to bring their visions to life with unprecedented ease. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you detailed comparisons and the latest insights in technology. Thanks for watching.